Hey, Freedom Stickers. Freedom Sticker here. Got something in the mail today. Let's see what I got. Hey, Freedom Stickers. Let's get into it. Today is our second installment from Investor Crate. Right now we are trying out their $50 constitutional box. Goodness. There we go. Investor Crate. We got all this stringy, and the constitutionals in a bag. All right. Yeah, got everything out of there. Sweet. Probably gonna start using the other box for my first box for my $10 a week challenge that Millennial Stacker started up. It's a nice little baggie. Let's see how much silver we ended up with for $50. Got $1.50 in halves. Got 70 cents in mercury dimes. I'm not really sure what spot price was, and of course it doesn't tell me on the invoice, but it's $50. Let's see here. Yeah, you can see the rest of that. Okay, the Investor Crate is $50 plus $7.55 shipping and handling. So it's $57.55 every month. Comes directly out of my account on the first of the month, and they ship it out on the 15th. But it's a nice little way to collect some silver if you don't have a local coin shop. For those of you that are like, Freedom Stacker, I can't put aside $45 a week like you do for your Stack Beast Mode challenge. Well, if you can put aside $50 a month, or a little over because of shipping, but $50 a month, you can definitely add to the stack. So for $50, I got $2.20. $2.20. 90% constitutional. Got some Walking Liberties, 2 of them. Looks like 1946 and a 1943. Awesome. And looks like I got a 1954 Franklin half. I'm going to flip these to the date side. Where is my loop? There it is. What dates did we end up with? Looks like it's probably a 1918, but the edge is worn slicked where you can't see the bottom of the 8 if that is what it is. Let's see, got 1945, the last year of the Mercury, so of course that one's in fairly decent shape. 1940. 1944. 1941. 1943. And 1942. Really? That's funny. Somebody put that together. All right in a row. So we got a 1940, 41, 42, 43, 44, and a 45. And I'm thinking it's a 1918, but it's pretty slick. All right, go ahead and put away, let's see here. $1943. Currently my oldest $50. $1946. $1954. Sweet. go ahead and label those later. So I can go ahead and put these ones away. Senior Poucho, what are you doing in there? I guess he's guarded my 2 pesos. That's cool. All right. $19.45. $19.44. $19.43. $19.42. $19.41, my first $19.41, so I'll have to label that one as well. And $19.40. Excuse me, Senior Pacho. I just need to get in there a little bit. Since how this one, you can't really see the date on it, we're just going to make this tube somewhat slick dimes where you can't really read the dates. Let you go ahead and guard your favorite coin that I have, Senior Pacho. It's amazing. As soon as I posted the video of this, he bust in the house. He made himself a moderator, and he's been guarding that ever since he got here. Senior Poucho. What did you do to your little brother? So this is a way that those of you that aren't able to save $45 a week in order to get into the Stack Beast Mode Challenge, if you're able to save $50, or it's actually closer to $60 once you factor in the shipping, but it's definitely a way to add silver to the stack, even on a smaller budget. So this is my second installment of the Constitutional crate. I'm going to order one more, and then I'll switch to something else. Only you can make your stacking goals your stacking realities. For more stacking and collecting fun like this, check out this playlist. Hit that thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, please do. Hit that bell. That way you'll know when my new videos come out. Hit me up through email, on Facebook or Instagram, link in my About page. And as always, keep stacking, and I'll see you in the next one.